How to list rental properties on Facebook Marketplace. Are you a landlord or property manager looking to fill vacancies quickly and efficiently? Well, no further. In today's video, we're going to show you how to harness the power of Facebook Marketplace to list your rental properties and attract potential tenants. Hey, everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're ready to learn how to leverage Facebook Marketplace to showcase your rental properties, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. Create a detailed listing. When listing your rental property on Facebook Marketplace, be sure to include all relevant details such as the number of bedrooms and bathrooms, square footage, amenities, pet policies, and rental terms. The more information you provide, the easier it will be for potential tenants to make an informed decision. Step 2. Take high-quality photos and videos. Visuals are key when it comes to attracting potential tenants. Make sure to capture clear, well-lit photos and videos of the interior and exterior of the property, highlighting its best features and selling points. Step 3. Set a competitive rental price. Research similar rental properties in your area to ensure that your listing is priced competitively. You want to attract potential tenants without undervaluing your property. Step 4. A compelling description. Use descriptive language to paint a picture of what life would be like for tenants living in your property. Highlight any unique features, nearby amenities, and the overall lifestyle benefits of renting your property. Step 5. Promote your listing. Once your rental property is listed on Facebook Marketplace, don't just sit back and wait for tenants to come to you. Share your listing on your personal Facebook profile, in local community groups, and even consider running Facebook ads to reach a wider audience. And there you have it, folks. A step-by-step guide to listing your rental properties on Facebook Marketplace. By following these tips, you'll be well on your way to finding the perfect tenants in no time. Thanks for watching, and happy renting. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more real estate tips and tutorials. Until next time, take care.